大家好 Welcome back to Taiwan Chinese. I'm Mia in the night wind. Yeah, I'm out this evening to see the 超级月亮 super moon, and it's right in front of me. I'll show you right now. Okay, I walked for a little bit, and I think this is a better spot to show you. Well, let's take a look at the super moon tonight. It's a bright, light yellow color full moon. Appears to be, I feel it's a bit lower. It just feels closer than usual. The phone camera is trying its best. Through the eyes, you can see it really clearly. There comes 一朵云, a piece of fluffy cloud. Temporarily covered the moon, and the moon reappeared and seems even brighter. Many clouds are floating in the sky. By the way, the weather today is 晴天. It's a sunny day. Highest temperature was 33. And now, already, I think, 9:30 p.m.-ish, 27 degrees. I just checked. Humidity, something like 85%. Yeah, so it feels okay. I think we're still having a bit of effect from typhoon, a new typhoon, I guess, which is called Kanu, but not sure if it will hit China or change its direction. Now it's like panning. Oh, again, the moon interacts with a piece of cloud. See that? And some half-transparent, beautiful hues and colors were created. And now the cloud is gone. Okay, another cloud is approaching. Like smoke, like silk scarf. There we go. Yeah. Feels quite dreamy, and the big fluffy cloud beneath the moon is showing some peach pink. This part. Very beautiful through the eyes. And this is the river tonight. Flowing to me. It's a bit windy now. And this is how water represents wind. Oh, the wind feels so nice. Chill. While the moon simply makes it a diamond. It looks also like a tree. The darker parts, you see, it's like the root, the branches, and the fluffy white outside part, all leaves. And now it went by. No more magical diamond feeling. The moon's glazing the boundaries of the clouds. Alright, I'll finish this episode here. Thanks for watching Nightwing Chinese. This is Mia. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And I hear that there's gonna be another super moon very soon at the end of this month. So looking forward to seeing that and showing you guys again. See you on the next video. Bye.